Welcome back dito sa Baggage PH. So now we're going to review about this Chloe and Goyard totes na pre-order ng mga madam. So as you can see, we have two sizes ng Chloe dito. This one is medium size. Since may dalawa dito, pang 7 namin siya. So, last batch, nung November, 5 na po yung nag-order, tapos nag-additional 2 pa sila. So, this one was sold for 49,880 pesos only, best and lowest price guaranteed. So, 2 po yung may-ari nito. They are already sold po yung 2 to. So, ganyan siya mga madam. And this one naman is a small size. So, ito, Chloe have 4 sizes, X, mini, small, medium, and large. So, yung order lagi sa akin is the small size and the medium size. Kasi yung large too big and then yung mini naman too small. So, ayan po siya. Ito po ay may sling mga madam. Ayan siya mga madam. As you can see and you can compare, ayan sila, ganyan silang dalawa. And ayan siya mga madam, napakaganda nito. Papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano yung laman niya. Ayan yung laman ng medium. Tanggalin po natin tong thread. So, ayan po yung laman ng medium. Ayan yung mga babasahin niya. So, ito yung QR niya. Here, this is the QR. Okay, you can scan it for the authenticity of this one. And ayan siya. So, ayan siya. Ito yung vinidyohan po namin last time nung nasa store tayo ng Chloe. So, ito naman is the small size. So, ayan po yung itsura po nila, yung pag-small. So, this one is available po. This is December batch 2023. I don't know kung anong araw or buwan nyo to pinapanood, but this one was sold. Itong mga to pre-order noong December 2023. So, ayan po. Ito yung itsura nila. Ayan, ito napakaganda po nito. Ayan siya. This is the Chloe. So, this one is 55,880 pesos only. And then the other one is 49,880 pesos only. Mas mahal lang siya ng konti kasi this is denim black. And then this one naman, outlet price siya. So, ayan mga madam. Ito ay meron pong may-ari ditong small size na to. Ito naman po ay available. So, ayan siya mga madam ko. Okay, baba po natin sila. Okay, and then this one naman is the Goyard San Luis. As you can see mga madam, ayan siya. This is the San Luis of Goyard. So this two, 107,880 pesos only. So this one, the black is already sold. Ayan siya. This is already sold. This one is on hand here at the store. 4th floor, Ayala Malls, Cloverleaf, Quezon City. So, ayan po sila mga madam. Ganyan kalaki yung San Luis PM. Nilagyan siya ng mga Amy shirts kasi para tumayo at saka makita nyo kung gaano kadami. As you can see, itong Amy shirts, ang dami po nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces of Amy shirts ang kasya dito sa, sa San Luis na to na Goyard. So, this is the color red. And it comes in different colors. Meron siyang green, meron siyang blue, may dark blue, may red, may maroon, may white, may gray, may black, and may brown. So, ayan siya mga madam. Napakaganda niya. So, ito siya, yung loob niya. And ito po yung loob ng pocket niya. So, this is the pocket. Tapos, nandito po yung babasahin niya mga madam. Ayan yung care card. And then, ito po yung pocket niya. So, ayan. The pocket is not detachable to the bag. So, kasama talaga siya sa bag. So, ayan siya. This is a perfect, this is the perfect working bag kasi this one is super gaan. So, ayan yung Goyard Tote San Luis PM. This is the PM and the GM is very big naman. So, ayan siya mga madam. So, ito na sila. Thank you so much for trusting us. So, again, if you have questions or you wanted a pre-order, just message us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and our website, www.baggageph.com. Or if you want to visit us face-to-face, you can visit us here at 4th floors, Ayala Mall, Cloverleaf, Quezon City, mga madam, dulo ng NLEX at dulo ng Skyway. So, napakadali pong pumunta dito, mga madam. So, see you here and thank you for watching this bag review.